the one who radiates the boundless loving kindness for the beings which exist in this universe, receives the 11 advantages of loving kindness. The first one, Sukhang Suprati, he sleeps happily. Sukhang Patibujjati, he wakes up happily. Napapakang Supinang Passati, he has no bad dreams. Manussanang Piyohoti, he is dear to human beings. Amanussanang Piyohoti, not only human beings, but also non-human beings as well. Devata Rakkanti, he is protected by deities. Nasagiva Visangva Sattangva Kamati, he is immune from fire and poison. Tuvatang Chittang Samadhiyati, he can concentrate his mind quickly, way more easier than the others. Mukhavanno Vipasidati, his facial expression is beautiful. It becomes serene. Asammulho Kalang Karoti, he dies without a confusion mind. Uttaring Appati Vijjanto Brahmalokupagohoti, if he fails to attain arahantship of Nibbana, he is reborn in Brahma world. Namo Buddhaya.